Hello and welcome back. We have another challenge for you. In this challenge, I want you to learn all about pointer arithmetic. Remember, pointer arithmetic is a really neat concept. It's a notational concept, but it really illustrates how arrays are related to pointers. You can traverse an array very easily with a very simple syntax. It reduces your line of code, and it's a really neat concept. So you're going to learn all about pointer arithmetic. We're also going to learn more about the constant modifier. So in this challenge, I want you to write a program that tests your understanding of pointer arithmetic and the constant modifier. We've learned about both of these concepts in previous lectures. So I want you to write a function that calculates the length of the string. The requirements are the function should take as a parameter a constant char pointer. A constant char pointer means that you cannot change the value of what the pointer is pointing to. And you're not going to do that with the length. The function can only determine the length of the string using pointer arithmetic. I do not want you to use the stir length function. I want you to use pointer arithmetic. And the way that I'm envisioning this function to be implemented is that you're going to get the address of the end of the pointer. Okay, that would be the length of the pointer essentially. But the way that you can get the address of the last string in the pointer is you can write a while loop. The while loop can go all the way to the null terminator character, right? Or the null terminator character, remember, that's represented as int. So the null terminator is actually a 0. So you could write a while loop, and all the while loop has to include in its condition is dereferencing the pointer. Because if the value of the dereferenced pointer is 0, jump out of the loop, and that would be the null terminator. So I want you to go through the entire pointer, and when you get to, and while you're going through it, keep incrementing that pointer. So now you have a pointer that's pointing to the end of the string. Then, to actually calculate the length, all you have to do is minus 2 pointers. The pointer that was passed in, which is the beginning of the string, and then the pointer that you created in the function, which is pointing to the end of the string. If you minus the end of the string pointer from the beginning of the string pointer, you'll have the length of the string. So you'll be doing pointer arithmetic by incrementing the pointer one by one to get to the ending address, and then you'll be using pointer arithmetic to multiply or to subtract each pointer. This is really probably the most valid way to use pointer arithmetic for subtraction. You usually don't add 2 pointers because why would you add 2 addresses? You may subtract 2 addresses to get the how far away 2 elements are in an array. That would make sense, but adding would not. So just to reiterate, the function can only determine the length of the string using pointer arithmetic. Create a local pointer in your function, increment that pointer each time to get to the end until you see a null terminator, a simple while loop. And then once you have the ending address, you already have the beginning address, subtract those 2 pointers, that will give you the length. You should return that length as an int from the function. And then you can just print out the actual length itself. So this assignment is getting you familiar with pointer arithmetic and also how to use the constant modifier because you don't want to change the actual value that it's pointing to, and subtracting 2 pointers as well, and also using a while loop where you can look at the pointer's value itself to determine the null character. Good luck. I'll provide a solution in the next lecture. Thank you.